Thank you, Mom Shirley Black, for bringing up the charity, The Living Hope. We are so glad to be part of this charity. Thanks for the second year. We celebrate the feeding in Amical, the school that you build for the community. Thanks for the living hope you give to those kids who are already have a dead hope. Thank you.
Thank you, Mom Shirley. Anong ginapanago mo yan? Hindi ka ba nagtatulak?
Thank you na, thank you.
Thank you na, kamo. Thank you na, thank you. Thank you. Amo na, oh.
Dirito bang?
Dito bang, dire. Binay, dito bang.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Sabi.